Ben Lewis is our breakfast reporter in Victoria, in the town of Nathalia, which is next in line for major flooding there. The Army has gone to great lengths to protect this town. There's some steel fence that they've erected. Tell us about that.
Kath, that's right. The Army and locals have done an amazing job trying to protect this town. Nathalia is essentially the last Victorian township that's likely to be affected by the flood waters. It is starting to drop in other areas. This used to be a creek behind me. It's now turned into a river. The water's expected to peak at somewhere around 3.5 metres. Now, it doesn't sound much compared to Queensland and New South Wales, but that's enough really to inundate the entire town. So locals have taken matters into their own hands. Yesterday, everyone was given the day off. Sandbags have been placed around the edge of the river. However, the most impressive feat is just over here to my right. It's called the Ring of Steel. It's a solid steel structure that runs pretty much the entire length of the river through town. And if we have a little look at it, you can see that it actually is made of the steel. The story goes that this thing's been in a shed for quite a few years. It's never actually been used in Australia before. So they've got to wait and see when the flood rivers peak, either tomorrow or maybe Thursday morning, if it actually works.
How confident are they that it will work? What would be a dramatic scenario if, you know, the river gets to a certain level and it might actually breach that steel fence?
Essentially, Nathalia is a pretty low-lying town. There'd probably be about 150, 160 properties that could be inundated if the water does manage to breach the Ring of Steel. They've gone to extraordinary lengths. I mean, there's sandbags, there's plastic, there's more stuff on the other side of the fence. They're really hoping that it's going to be high enough. Technically, it should be, but if there's one hole somewhere along this fence, that could essentially really render the entire project useless.